Trans Report. We are at Hidral Gobel's booth here at Busworld, Brussels. We understand this is a new product that you have, which is almost like a dual ramp.
Yeah.
Could you please explain us how it functions and what is the application and operation of this kind of a product?
Okay. This new product is thought for to have two products in one product. Okay. So that means that we can have electric ramp and manual ramp just in one product. The idea is to try to fit the product, to integrate the product in the bus. It's more simple than to have two products, to have the manual ramp and the electrical ramp. So the idea is to have an AC product for the manufacturers, okay? Because we have some requestion to have a simple product, so we thought that would be a good idea to have a product, two ramps in one ramp, okay?
Is this an ideal for a low floor electric?
Yeah, this is thought for city buses, for low floor buses, okay?
Could you just show us how it works?
Yeah.
This is already out.
This is the electrical ramp, okay? It's a telescopic ramp, so that means the length of the cassette is shorter than they use the normal electrical ramps, yeah? Because I told you it's electrical ramp, so that means we have maybe half of the length of the cassette. So, because in some city buses we have some restrictions about the chassis. Okay. So the idea of this telescopic ramp is to not invite too much the chassis of the bus.
Correct.
Okay.
And this is just the manual?
This is the manual ramp.
Okay. The same length as the...
Yeah, same length, yeah.
Okay.
Well, actually the length of the manual ramp is to meet regulations, okay? Yes. So this is manual ramp, it's simple manual ramp, okay?
And was this designed or kind of conceptualized on demand of some OEM, or is it your innovation? What is the rationale behind having such a product? Having both? What is the demand?
Well, because we have some customers that are requesting this kind of product. Okay. Yeah. It's in some markets is used to fit the electrical ramp and the manual ramp both, and it's more complicated to integrate the manual ramp in the bus and then to fit the electrical ramp.
Okay.
And that's why you can integrate just one product in the bus and finish just with one product, not with two products. And also we can do a better price, yeah.
What about the other products that you have at your booth and as Hidral Gobel's capability that you are showcasing here?
Yeah, well, our strategy is to try a bigger range of the products to cover all the sector. Yeah, we have products for buses, for minibuses and for city buses. Okay. So we have the ramps for city buses or low floor buses. Yeah, we got the lift for buses.
Lift.
Yeah, lift for buses. In this, about the lift, we got semi-automatic lift and fully automatic lift. Right. Depending on the requesting of the manufacturer or the customer, we have different solutions. And also, depending on the configuration of the coach, we have a different model of the lift. Yeah.
Okay.
Because in this case, can be fitted on the steps, can be fitted in the luggage compartment. Yeah. So we got semi-automatic, fully automatic, and for different solutions and different fittings on the bus. Okay.
And what kind of products did you showcase at your India show when you were in India? And what are the demands that the Indian OEMs or the coach builders have from you?
Yeah.
What are the expectations from Hidral Gobel, from the OEM?
Well, to be honest, we started in India last year. Yeah. So we're starting in this new market. Mm-hmm. We started with a product that was requested for the customer with some dimensions. Mm-hmm. So we tried to introduce that product according to the dimension that the customer was requesting us. Yeah. Right. But how is going to move forward the business? Mm-hmm. We will see. Yeah.
And was it like a similar mechanical one or a manual one?
Well, the product that we have in India is a semi-automatic lift. No ramp.
No ramp.
Oh. Yes.
And was it for a city coach?
Yes, for city coaches. City coaches.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are your expectations from the show here, and what are the one communication or a statement that you want people to take from Hidral Gobel here at the show?
Well, you know what, at the end, when you come to a show, is the plan or the idea is to show your products and also to try to show new products. Correct. Okay? Correct. Because at the end, I think in that sector, all the companies.
Yeah.
We have similar products, and we try to have some difference between the competitors. Yeah. So this is the plan, because of the idea we try to have a new product. Yeah.
Wishing you a great success for the
Okay.
show, and thank you and
Okay.
joining for us. Thank you so much.